the panganay at the bunso ay parehong mahalaga sa harap ng Diyos. May kanya-kanyang kasing hulma. Special ang bawat isa. Pati ang second child, mataas rin ang value. Zia and Zion are both high-value creation of God. So they are both precious.
Somebody get low, I get high.
As a Ninang, I will be here for you to guide you and stay strong, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless.
Let it all go. Oh, shake up your soul. Throw your hands in the air. Throw your hat in the rain. Throw your hips and your heart into everything.
Mami Ninang will always be here for you. Always lang namin na hihilingin na maging healthy, maging mabait, and syempre huwag laging magkakasakit.
Lumaki ka na may banal na takot sa Diyos, and si Lord lagi niyo ipoprovide yung mga pangangailangan mo, and lagi ka niyo ipoprotect.
In behalf of Ninong BJ rin, nandito lang kami palagi for you.
May always God bless you. Always have a faith in God.
Let it all go.
Kung lumaki ka na may relationship ka kay God and lumaki kang close ka sa parents mo. And I hope you grow healthy and strong. And ayan, so good luck na lang sa kung anong pagsubok ng buhay harap.
Let's dance with everybody who came through that door.
Happy birthday, Zion!
Happy birthday, Zion!
Happy birthday, Zion! Happy birthday, Zion!
Lace up our shoes. Let's narrow the distance between me and you.
Happy birthday, Zion! I love you.
Let's quit keeping score. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. This night is on fire like never before. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Oh, let it all go. Oh, shake up your soul. Throw your hands in the air. Throw your hat in the ring. Throw your hips and your heart into everything. Turn the world on a string.
po naging more blessing and lumaki ka. Bless ni Lord. Thank you for His life, our bunso.
Ayun, happy birthday Zion. Gusto ko lang maging mabait ka and laging may takot kay Lord. And be good boy always. Love you.
Happy first birthday,
Birthday, Zion.
Zion.
Welcome to
Welcome to
Christian
World.
World. We love you.